What's happening? My name is Vince. Welcome back to the channel. We are out here camping. Stay tuned. Psych out, not showing the camping trip yet. That's too much editing. It's like an hour and a half of footage, almost 2 hours of footage, and like 200 shots that I have to go through. So we're working on that footage and we're doing some unboxing, but I got some stickers up. And we got some packages. Got some mail while we were gone. It's the traction thingies for if you get stuck in the snow or in like a rut or sand, I don't know. Hopefully we never have to use those or the tow rope or, yeah, gonna have to use snow chains, but. I got this one and I got a super special package I'm most excited about. These things are heavy duty, but I hope they're strong enough to hold the van. We're gonna have to find somewhere to put these. I've seen vans that just put them on the outside. Not taking up room inside. We'll see where they go in the back. Gotta get these tracks. Ooh, stuff fell apart. All right, the very best thing that we got in the mail when we were gone. Stickers, but they're not just any. They're incubus and hieroglyphic stickers. And that one's an actual incubus. Aha, get it? The incubus? It's actually a van, but it's freaking awesome. More van stickers on the van. And then, yeah, I wanted to do the Gigantamo, but Krista says that's too big. Yeah. So I'm gonna put them on the van on the same side. It's so cool. Oh, I can't wait to get these on there. More stickers! Thinking these are gonna go like that. Maybe right next to the hinges, going up the sides, or at the top. We'll figure it out. Okay, so some other stuff that we got in the mail was this outlet, because we have two of these next to the bed. So now it's a laptop, lights, and a blanket, and the lights can actually get plugged into these USB ports. And so that leaves one of those open. Yeah, it's got a little clicker on it, so you can just turn that on and off. That makes that nice. And it says how much volts are being put out. I also have this inverter that has another 12 volt attached to it, so we can actually plug in like regular things if we need to. Instead of running the inverter, I don't know which is going to be more efficient to like plug things into here, this inverter. It's all running off the house battery. And then I've been trying to find stuff to DIY the lagoon table. And so a couple of these mounts showed up for the tabletop. They almost feel like they're plastic, but they're backwards. They're solid there and hollow there, and I need it to be the other way around so that it's hollow and I can put a pipe for the tabletop. I've got two of them. I don't know if it's gonna work. Maybe just drill a hole in here for whatever metal pipe size that we get for the swing arm. We'll see how it goes. Might have to send these back and find something new, but these were like the cheapest things. Thank you for watching. Till next time, bunch more adventures on the way. Peace.